This would change your mind and your way in blogging to make money online. So for example, go with me to this article on medium.com. Here, this amazing article talks about how you can get traffic to your blog and your main website without depending on SEO or any other factors. And for sure, she dives into just use Pinterest.com to get more traffic to your own store and your website and so on. But here, just builds with a smooth flow on this article and promotes something very, very interesting in this article. That is her Pinterest SEO playbook. That means you just attract your readers from A to Z and builds their curiosity to reach the end of this article where you can promote your own free P or your free digital product. That means you can monetize your article. Don't spam your articles with affiliates link here and there and so on. Just here, you can take advantage of your curiosity, your experience, and your touch to grab the attention of your readers from the first line to the last conclusion section where you can promote your own premium digital product or your free P. And of course, there are many benefits to use these amazing tricks and this way. For sure, you can build the respect and make you people trust you as an expert. And of course, they read your article and they actually wait a specific more thing here you can provide either in your article as a new paragraph that actually solves the specific problem. And to solve this confusion, how you can get more traffic to your own blog post, how you can use SEO tricks on Pinterest, how you can use Pinterest boards and so on. So here you can give them what they are waiting for. That is your Pinterest SEO playbook and so on as you see. So that way you can monetize your article perfectly and amazingly. And for sure, you can monetize your own article. Either you publish on medium.com, Substack, or any other platform in different ways. For sure here, while you are writing your own article, you can expect that you can give something very interesting and very beneficial for your audience and your readers. But for sure, it takes time and effort to just give them what they want. And here just to build for you an awesome tool that saves your time and your effort and give you the best solutions and ideas of your digital items and your freebies. That says article to income. Here you can monetize your piece of content and your article like a magic. Here you can insert the link of your article that you can publish on different platforms, Medium, Substack, WordPress, and so on. And just in a few seconds, here you can find a plethora of these beautiful digital product ideas. So for example, here, if we take something like this amazing article, okay, and we just discover and explore what ideas you can provide for your readers regarding this amazing blog post. So you can go to article to income, insert here this link and click over this button, monetize this article right now. And just in a few seconds, here you can find an awesome list of these amazing ideas like Pinterest Power Playbook, awesome format PDF guide, target audience, viability score, verdict, and monetization funnel that starts with a free version, lead magnet to build your own email list of your customers, your clients, and passing through beta version, upsell, and so on. And done for you final copy here with email subject line, widest conversion, and for sure different ways to build up this amazing specific digital product. It's an awesome way to monetize your own article. The second one, like this one, DIY Pinterest templates here. Likewise, this one, the previous one. The third, Pinterest SEO masterclass. That is here by coincidence here, this amazing writer just recommends in her article as you see. It's awesome, and the magic here used by article to income. Awesome, isn't it? So for sure, here you can find many of these writers on medium.com use the same trick to build the trust to build respect, and for sure get more traffic to their main store, main website, and for sure build their email list. So for example, another example here, like this article here on Medium as well, like this, that talks about this flexibility for women over 50. And here in this article, you can find plenty of these recommendations of these free peas as you observe. Perfect. Okay. So likewise, you can get the URL and the link of this article, and you can find here on article to income amazing ideas as you see, like flexibility first daily stretch planner, and the second one, for example, like desk stretch magic here. So your readers want this more and more and more. Perfect, isn't it? So here you can find something very special here on article to income at incomesify.com. For every single idea, you can build your own digital item, either by using Ask to Income here on the Incomesify platform, or you can make it and do it manually using canva.com or any other AI tool or platform or designer tool. And if you just select this one, create an Ask to Income. So for example, I can actually, I want to make a workbook, okay? So I can actually take this whole idea like this one and until a free version, okay, that's it. Perfect. Copy. And now we can go to Ask to Income like this. Then go down below to the section, add your own question and your idea and your topic like this, and add. And then you can find here on this section that says Premium Digital Product Empire. Here you can generate an amazing digital product. Starts with workbook, checklist bundle, spreadsheet, PDF guide, and full premium ebooks as you see. So for example, you can generate here an awesome digital product like workbook as you want. And of course, here you can build up here full Kindle Amazon book. Yes, you heard that right. So if you click over this button, okay, you would be converted to Ask to Book, actually on incomesify.com, pre-filled with this topic. Okay, set your settings here like target words, chapters, tune, your language, your font, and these amazing options, and then click over this button to generate your premium ebook. And you can find here a beautiful PDF ebook that you can publish right now and right away on Amazon Kindle, or you can promote as a digital product or on Gumroad, Coffee.com as you like. That's where you can monetize your own article on Medium to make money and just to change your way of blogging and writing articles, to just think about it, how you can monetize this article and show myself as an expert and a trustworthy guy. So that way you can use these combo of these tools like article to income, ask to income, and ask to book. And for sure, all of them in the Incomesify package are waiting for you down below in the first comment and description box. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.